welcome to Blush Like Beauty. My name is Bhabana and this channel is all about beauty, and on today's video I will be doing a review on GLOSSYBOX August birthday box. So let's get started. For those of you who don't know already, I'm now a part of GLOSSYCircle, a brand ambassador for GLOSSYBOX. GLOSSYBOX, if you don't know already, is a monthly beauty subscription where you will be sent five beauty products to your doorstep for as little as £11.50 a month, including delivery, bringing you some of the latest and best beauty products in the beauty industry. It's bright pink with black and white bow. It's so pretty. I love the packaging of GLOSSYBOX in general, and for those who haven't been on my Instagram already, make sure you do follow because I do have unboxing done for this box last month, which I'll also link it in the description box below. And yeah, today I just thought of doing a review on it because I have tried all the products in here for roughly about a month. So the GLOSSYBOX always comes with a product leaflet which explains pretty much everything about the products and also gives you a sneak peek on next month's product itself. So it's a great way to learn more about your beauty products inside the box. The first product that I want to review is this GLOSSYBOX Skincare Eye Boost Cream. Now GLOSSYBOX launched their skincare range last month and they have some of the most amazing product that I really want to try. Now in this box itself they have given me this one which I tried for the last month and I absolutely love it. So this eye cream is meant to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Now I don't get a lot of puffiness, so I can't really comment on that, but I do get dark circles and I can tell you guys that it has helped reduce the appearance of my dark circles. In this product leaflet it says that its indulgent formula blends elderflower, eye bright and red seaweed extract to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles and refresh tired looking eyes. And I definitely agree with that. It's very light and it's very moisturizing, and I have definitely noticed a difference. My dark circle is a lot less now, and I usually like to use it in the morning and I have been for the last few weeks. At night time I like something a little bit stronger, but this has done miracle to my eyes, so definitely recommend this one. Next product is this Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick. Now in this leaflet itself it says that this creamy lippy boasts a luscious, highly pigmented formula that glides effortlessly onto your lips, adding an intense shot of color to your pout. It then dries to a satin finish, creating a sheen on your lips that enhances their natural shape. Now I loved using this. It does tingle a little bit, so it kind of helps to give you that slight plumpy lips, and the color itself is sort of like a mauvey pink, and I really enjoyed wearing this, so I definitely recommend this as well from Huda Beauty. And as you all know, Huda Beauty I absolutely love. Like, all their pigmentations and formulas are amazing, so this is the one to look out for and buy if you are looking for a new highly pigmented lip glossy type lipstick. Next up is this BRUSHWORKS HD Wonder Complexion Sponge. Now I will show you the actual sponge. It is a little bit dirty, although I did wash it. This is pretty much the size. It does expand when you do damp it, and I really enjoyed using this. I mean, in terms of beauty blender, that's my go-to way of applying foundation, and I love the original beauty blender as well as the Real Technique sponge itself. But this is a new one that I tried for the last few weeks and I absolutely love it. It is a little bit stodgy, so it kind of feels a bit stodgy, not as soft as Beauty Blender, but it does apply your foundation flawlessly. It blends in really well, and what I also love doing with this Beauty Blender is applying powder. Now I normally don't apply powder to set my foundation with a sponge. I've never really done it purely because I prefer to use brush, but this does the trick really well, so I've really enjoyed using it. So yeah, if you are looking for a new sort of beauty sponge, then that is something I would recommend. And it only retails for £5.49, which is such a great value, very affordable. compared to Beauty Blender, which is a lot more expensive, and the fact that you have to replace your sponge every 3 months for hygiene reason, it's better to spend on something cheaper. Next up is this MOLTON Brown. It's their delicious rhubarb and rose bathing shower gel. Now this is how much I've used up in the last 2 weeks, and I take shower every day. You only need a tiny bit and it lathers on loads. So I really enjoyed showering with this shower gel. Now on the leaflet itself, it says that it's an indulgent shower gel which boasts a luscious blend of rhubarb leaf, rose and zesty grapefruit that smells divine, and it does. It is a very strong smell, I would say, of rhubarb and rose, but it does smell divine. I do like it. It feels very luxurious when I do shower in it, and it does make you feel cleanse after the shower itself. I wouldn't really say it's very moisturizing, but you feel clean and your skin feels good after the shower itself. So I definitely recommend it, and I am gonna try more of the range because little goes a long way, and that's amazing, because especially with your shower gel and stuff, you want to make it last as long as possible. So if you are looking for a new shower gel, that's the one to go for. Next up is this Steve Laurent Vogue lip liner, and I did enjoy wearing this. It is sort of like a dark mauvey pink lip liner, and it complemented really well with the Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick that I showed earlier, which was in shade Chica. I don't think I mentioned it before. In the leaflet itself, it says that this magical lip pencil is completely waterproof, so it doesn't transfer or bleed throughout the day. Instead, it stays put for up to 7 hours. Now, I didn't wear this on its own, so I can't comment on that, but whenever I did wear it with my Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick, they didn't bleed, they didn't transfer, they stayed on whole day. So yeah, I believe that has some truth to it. So that's what the lip liner looks like. I'm going to swatch the Demi Matte lipstick on top. So that's the Demi Matte on top. As you can see, they do complement each other really well. Perfect combination if you want that mauvey pink lips. And that is it for today's GLOSSYBOX review. I hope you all enjoyed it, and as I said, I am a brand ambassador for GLOSSYBOX, which means I have an exclusive discount code which lets you get your first box for £11.50 including delivery. My discount code is BlushLive. Don't forget to spoil yourself with this beauty box every month. It's a little gift from you to you because you deserve it. Don't forget to like this video as usual, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will, as usual, see you guys on my next video. Thank you all for watching. Mwah.